Hello. Uptown Swing, level 1, 8 count.
I'm Stacia. That's Brian.
We started off by just giving you the footwork. It was a little quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow.
And then we scooted.
We went this way. Daddy, 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 daddy. And then back. Ba-da, 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 ba-da.
Nailed it.
We shortened those scoots up into a triple step and added it into our pattern. Step, step, triple step, 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 triple step, 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 triple step, 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 triple step. If you can do anything before next week, do this 1,000 times.
And you don't need a person next to you to do it. Boo, 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 ba, ba. That'll help.
Then we added in some moves. We connected with the partner, talked about that, and we did the flip flop. Flip, catch, and flap. Ba, 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 hey. Ha, we have the yo-yo where just the followers go. Then we had the reverse where the leaders go.
For all of these, the leader's arm might float a little bit or slip on my back, and that's great. That way we don't end up awkwardly close.
Yeah, that's what we did. We'll see you next week.